Stephen Tyrone Colbert, born May 13, 1964, is an American comedian, writer, producer, political commentator, actor, and television host. He is best known for hosting the Comedy Central News satire show, The Colbert Report from 2005 to 2014, and the CBS late-night talk show, The Late Show with Stephen Colbert from 2015 to 2026. Born into a Catholic family in Washington, D.C. and raised in South Carolina, Colbert originally studied to be a dramatic actor, but became interested in improvisational theater while attending Northwestern University, where he met Second City director Del Close. Colbert first performed professionally as an understudy for Steve Carell at Second City Chicago. Paul Dinello and Amy Sedaris, comedians with whom he developed the sketch comedy series Exit 57, were in his troupe. Colbert performed on The Dana Carvey Show 1996 and wrote for the show before collaborating again with Sedaris and Dinello on the sitcom Strangers with Candy 1999-2000. Colbert's work as a correspondent on Comedy Central's news parody series The Daily Show gained him wide recognition. In 2005, he left The Daily Show to host The Colbert Report. Following The Daily Show's news parody concept, The Colbert Report was a parody of personality-driven political opinion shows, including The O'Reilly Factor, in which he portrayed a caricatured version of conservative political pundits. In the first episode, he introduced the neologism truthiness, which was named Word of the Year by the American Dialect Society and Merriam-Webster. It earned him an invitation to perform as featured entertainer at the White House Correspondents Association dinner in 2006, which he did in character. This event led to the series becoming one of Comedy Central's highest-rated series. In 2010, he and Jon Stewart headlined the rally to restore sanity or fear. In 2011, he started the satirical Colbert Super PAC, which was credited with raising awareness of campaign finance issues. After ending The Colbert Report, he was hired in 2015 to succeed David Letterman, who was retiring as host of The Late Show on CBS. Colbert hosted the 69th Primetime Emmy Awards in September 2017. Colbert has won 11 Primetime Emmy Awards, 2 Grammy Awards, and 3 Peabody Awards. Colbert was named one of Time's 100 Most Influential People in 2006 and 2012. His book, I Am America and So Can You, was listed No. 1 on the New York Times bestseller list in 2007. Stephen Tyrone Colbert was born in Washington, D.C., the youngest of 11 children, James III, Edward, Mary, William, Margot, Thomas, Jay, Elizabeth, Paul, and Peter in a Catholic family. He lived for a few years in Bethesda, Maryland. Next, he grew up in James Island, an island and a suburb of Charleston, South Carolina. His father, James William Colbert Jr., was an immunologist and medical school dean at Yale University, St. Louis University, and at the Medical University of South Carolina in Charleston. From 1969, James Colbert Jr. was the school's first vice president of academic affairs. Colbert's mother, Lorna Elizabeth Colbert, was a homemaker. In interviews, Colbert has described his parents as devout people who nevertheless strongly valued intellectualism and taught their children that it was possible to question the church and still be Catholic. He has said his father was interested in French humanist writers, including Leon Bloy and Jacques Maritain, while his mother was fond of Catholic worker movement leader Dorothy Day. Regardless, Colbert recalls having a pretty conservative upbringing, with his mother voting for a Democrat exactly once in her life. In an interview, his mother has described him as rambunctious. As a child, he observed that Southerners were often depicted as being less intelligent than other characters on scripted television. To avoid that stereotype, he taught himself to imitate the speech of American news anchors, particularly John Chancellor. Personal life, Colbert is an avid reader, and his favorite authors include J.R.R. Tolkien, J.D. Salinger, Robertson Davies, George Saunders, Larry Niven, Henry Kuttner, Isaac Asimov, James Joyce, Stephen King, and Flannery O'Connor. Colbert is a known fan of psychedelic folk group Neutral Milk Hotel. He first discovered the band while filming a field piece for The Daily Show in 2005. Their song Holland 1945 played over the credits of the last episode of The Colbert Report. He is a fan of Elvis Costello, who joined Paul McCartney, John Batiste, and the late Showhouse Band for a cover of the Beatles' Hello, Goodbye on the finale of The Late Show with Stephen Colbert. Colbert is a practicing Roman Catholic who has taught Sunday school at church and is an ordained minister with the Universal Life Church Monastery. He was an altar server for 11 years in his childhood. Raised Catholic, Colbert became an atheist upon attending college. He became curious about other religions and read chunks of major texts, including the Book of Mormon, the Upanishads, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, and the works of D.T. Suzuki. He reconsidered his stance at age 22 after receiving a Bible from a Gideon in Chicago. Colbert opened the book in Matthew 6:27, which read, "Can any one of you by worrying add a single hour to your life?" He described reading the verse as if the words spoke to me. He subsequently reverted to Catholicism. Colbert has been married to Evelyn Evie McGee Colbert since 1993. She is the daughter of prominent Charleston civil litigator Joseph McGee of the firm Buist Moore Smith & McGee. His wife appeared with him in an episode of Strangers with Candy as his mother. She also had an uncredited cameo as a nurse in the series pilot and a credited one in the film. Colbert met McGee at the world premiere of Philip Glass's Hydrogen Jukebox at the Spoleto Festival, USA in Charleston. Colbert later described the first moment he met McGee as being a love at first sight encounter. However, moments after they met, they realized they had grown up together in Charleston and had many mutual friends. The couple lives in Montclair, New Jersey, and have 3 children. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.